ng pagsinta sa amin, pagnugot sa pagmamahalan at sa lahat ng gawa kapanahan. Masintahin Jesus.
Yeah. Right? Yeah. It's good to just to have a look around. Yeah. Ah, okay. Do you love? How much is it? 20. I haven't got the change. Mine too. I don't have. Meron na po. Microphone is blocked. The way is going again over there. Ah, okay. Yeah, this one 20. Yeah. Meron na po. Meron na. She's selling about if this is going to be put like in the altar or something. Yeah, offer. Yeah. Thank you. Love, put your wallet in your bag.
It's in my pocket. Where should I put this?
Just put it in me. Okay.
I just wanted to give her some money. She seemed really serene and nice.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Quiapo, everyone. Thank you. So this is a day-to-day life here. I have my DJI Pocket Wi-Fi with me with the ND filter. Later, when we see like watch shops, maybe you have a look. What about there? Okay. Yeah. May mga overruns. Like someone is getting it. Yan. May punta tayong Chinatown. Mag-ano tayo. Walk around there. Though, masyadong mainit, no? Super hot. I'm not really sure kung uulan. Pero sana wag naman umulan. Ano? Gonna just have a walk around along Quiapo. Yeah. Then nandun yung ano, LRT. Yung Quiapo ngayon, ganito na yung update niya. Maluwag na siya, hindi kagaya dati na masikip. Diba? And then nakakadaan na din yung mga kotse, yung mga tricycle, ganyan. So Ang laki na talaga ng iniba niya. So we're going to the watch stores now, yeah? Yeah.
Do you have replica for it?
Maybe. Not quite sure, love. If we see and you like it.
No, I'll hang out outside.
Okay. Ang weird nung indie filter ko ngayon. Pupunta na tayo sa mga watch stores dito. Yeah. So this is one I usually visit lang. Quiapo pa din tayo, guys. Medyo parang paulan lang. Okay. Tingnan natin yung mga underwear. Mga sapatos. Watches. Saan ba yung underwear? Tignan natin itong ukay-ukay dito sa may Carriedo. Guys, dito 50 pesos lang tsaka 149. Doon banda yung 50. Doon yung 50. Yan. 50. Ito guys, mga underwear, 20 pesos lang. O, diba nakigulo yung jowa kung apaw? Then, meron din sila mga Crocs dito, 150. Yan. Dalawa niyan, 150. Okay, 5 pieces, 20. Go, go. So this is the old Manila Love, yeah. Oh shit, it's starting to rain. Oh. At naulan na nga. Hello. Bloody caught in a